Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your WhatsApp username key for better privacy. Like if you have updated WhatsApp recently, you may have noticed the new username feature. This feature will let you to create a username for your WhatsApp account. So in the future, you won't always have to share your phone number when someone wants to add or contact you. I think it's a great way to keep your phone number private. However, there's one thing you should know. Since people can search for your username, there's a chance that random user might find your account and then send you unwanted message or spam. But don't worry, WhatsApp has added a privacy settings to help with that. You can use the username key feature to make your username more private. And in here you can even change your unique username key whenever you want. And here's how. First, just tap on settings by tap on the three dots icon. This one, just go to settings and then go to account. And then next, just tap on username like this. And then in here you will see your username key on under your username, this one. And then to change this key, just simply tap on the contact me by username, this one. And then next, just tap on the username key, this one, just tap on it. And then in here just simply tap on the get a different key to get a new username key. Just tap on it like this, and just like that, WhatsApp will instantly generate a brand new unique key for your account. And then after that, just simply tap on save key, and just like that, your new username key is ready. I think this is useful if you have shared your key with too many people or just want to improve your privacy by giving yourself a fresh key. You can just update your key regularly to make sure only the people you trust can contact you through your username. And okay, that's it. Simple settings that can make your WhatsApp account much more private and secure. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.